The centre is marking the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with the launch of Gram Uday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be at Mahu, the birthplace of the architect of India's constitution, to launch the 11-day program. Here's a detailed report.
The 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on 14th April would indeed be special, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi would launch the Gram Uday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan from Mahu, the birthplace of the great visionary, on that day. The 11-day long campaign, starting from the 14th of April, would be held in 3 phases. From the 14th to the 16th of April, social harmony programs would be held in all Gram Panchayats of the country. During this phase, information relating to different schemes of the government promoting social justice would be made available. Subsequently, during the second phase of the campaign, between the 17th of April and the 20th of April, village farmer assemblies will be organized in Gram Panchayats. The aim of this program is to promote agriculture. In these assemblies, information on schemes regarding agriculture, such as Fasal Bima Yojana and Soil Health Card, will be provided to farmers, and their suggestions for bringing more improvements in agriculture would be solicited.
केंद्र द्वारा संचालित कृषि विकास की योजनाएं हैं, उसका एक लिफलेट मुहैया कराया है और राज्यों को कहा है कि राज्यों के अंदर भी जो कृषि विकास की योजनाएं हैं, आप उसको भी सम्मिलित करें और हर देश के हर ग्राम पंचायत में सभा करके इन योजनाओं की जानकारी दी जाए। कृषि क्षेत्र का सबसे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य ये रहा है कि योजनाएं तो बहुत चलती है, लेकिन जो गांव में रहने वाले किसान हैं उनको जानकारी नहीं होती है। तो जागरूकता के दृष्टि से ये बहुत बड़ा अभियान है।
Centre wants to reach out to all villages through the Gram Uday se Bharat Uday campaign, so that rural people can get to know about programs of government pertaining to agriculture and farmer-friendly schemes. Government hopes this campaign will boost its pro-village, pro-poor, farmer-friendly image. Those living in villages would also get to know what government is doing for their welfare. Shailendra Mishra's report, DD News, Delhi.